أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will learn the dua. Dua to be recited after drinking water. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Dua to be recited before eating food. Say Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Bismillahi, seen like a whistle sound, and wa ala ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. Barakatillah, this one ra will be bold because fatah sign is top of the ra. Dua to be recited after eating food. Alhamdu lillahi alladhi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. Lillahi alladhi, there pronounce it very softly. At'amana, ain pronounced at the middle part of throat. Wasaqana, this one qa will be bold because two dots is on the qaf, so bold it. Waja'alana minal muslimin.